I'll show you that real quick. The easy way is to go to your waffle and go to the web store. Then up here, you type in read and write. And here you go. You got read and write for Google Chrome. Normally it'll say like download or add this over here. I already have it, so it says write it. You also want to get the text help PDF reader, because that was when I opened it up here. It gave me the option to open it within Read&Write for Chrome. This one is also helpful, Screenshot Reader. That allows you to, if you are in a document that actually will pull up words, but it doesn't recognize it as words, you can kind of use the button to put a square around it and it'll read what's in that. Sometimes that can kind of be a little bit helpful if the document's not OCR already. But these are the two main ones we really recommend that you have. And then once you install it, it'll automatically add the purple puzzle piece up at the top. And then you're good to go.